Did you know that over 3 million people are earning Bitcoin without spending a dime? Yeah, you heard that right. It's totally possible to get into the crypto game without investing any of your hard-earned cash. Stick around, and let's dive into how you can start earning Bitcoin for free. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, earning Bitcoin for free. Now, I know what you might be thinking, is that even possible? Well, it absolutely is. This is an incredible opportunity, especially for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency without risking any money. So, let's unpack this, shall we? Alright, so here's the deal. A lot of folks believe that to earn Bitcoin, you need to invest money upfront. This misconception can be really discouraging for newcomers. It creates this mental barrier, making you think that you have to be a millionaire to even get started in crypto. But here's the kicker, you don't need to invest a single cent to start earning Bitcoin. This notion keeps many potential earners on the sidelines, but I'm here to tell you that there are ways around it. Let's break down some of the common challenges people face when trying to earn Bitcoin without investing money. From fear of scams to the overwhelming complexity of the crypto world, these challenges can feel daunting. But don't worry, I'm going to show you that it doesn't have to be that way. Now, let's get into the good stuff. There are several legit methods out there for earning Bitcoin for free. First up, we've got Bitcoin faucets. These are websites that reward you with small amounts of Bitcoin for completing simple tasks, like solving CAPTCHAs or watching ads. Sure, it might not be a fortune, but it's free money. Next, we have microtask platforms. Websites like Coinbase allow you to earn Bitcoin by completing microtasks, like taking surveys or testing apps. And don't forget about rewards programs. Some apps and websites will give you Bitcoin in exchange for shopping or trying new products. It's like earning cash back, but in crypto. Each of these methods has its own perks, making it easy for anyone to get started without breaking the bank. Now, let me hit you with a standout method that I think you're going to love. Let's talk about the platform called Coinbase Earn. This is a fantastic program where you can earn free Bitcoin by learning about different cryptocurrencies. You watch short videos and take quizzes, and they reward you with crypto for your time. It's super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Plus, it's a great way to expand your knowledge while earning at the same time. I've personally used it, and I have to say, it's one of the easiest ways to get started. The feedback from other users has been overwhelmingly positive too. People love how simple it is to earn while learning. So, to wrap it all up, earning Bitcoin for free is totally achievable. We've explored methods like faucets, microtasks, rewards programs, and the amazing Coinbase Earn platform. All of these options are straightforward and accessible for anyone looking to dive into the world of crypto without spending a dime. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and stay consistent. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these methods to earn Bitcoin? Or do you have questions about getting started? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out my next video where we'll dive deeper into some advanced Bitcoin strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.